Hello, my bees. It's day 4 of vlogging today, and today what I thought is, I want to just capture my day at work. Obviously, I cannot show my colleagues and all because I'm sure no one is going to be so comfortable because no one is into what I'm doing. No one is into YouTube, social media, vlogging, and all. They're just on social media just because of entertainment and just to post about them, few here and there pictures, And everybody, not everybody, at least most of them think, Nazar and all that stuff also is there, that those logics are also there, and they're not interested basically. So I don't have anybody in and around who does it actually. So I cannot capture them, and there are limitations for me to do a lot of things actually. But I can still show what I do at work, how I reach, what I do, blah 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 blah. Little things So there is something called as in YouTube. I've seen somebody doing time stamping, basically at this time what you do at this time. But I cannot promise that I will capture everything because it's difficult to capture everything because I'll be busy at work, I'll be doing running around, and at that time capturing is a little difficult. But wherever I can capture, I will capture, and let's see how it goes. Let's see. So now this is my time. I wake up at 6:30, which I've not captured today, but we will capture some other time. 6:30 I wake up, take shower, get clean, take care of my kitties, and make up and get ready. Now at 7:30 I will be ready to pack my lunch and everything, lunch, breakfast and that stuff. So come along with me and let's see how it goes. And it's a wrap for day 4 daily vlogs, So it's been a little difficult today, but not bad. It's okay. It doesn't matter. Now let's stay tuned for tomorrow and let me see what I will come up with tomorrow's idea. Let's see. Thank you.